Oh yeah, welcome to M&J Fencing and Gates. I'm John, aka the Gate Man. If you're interested in gates with side panels or fencing, please contact us. We are on Facebook, so you can message us or you can phone us as well. The telephone number is 07311 457 150. But remember, if we don't answer your message or phone call straight away, it means we're driving or we're busy. And with our tools making such a noise, we can't listen to your messages or your phone calls. So please be patient. We are a family-run business. We are local to your area. And we are open 6 days a week. Monday to Friday, we're open from 8 o'clock in the morning to 8 o'clock at night. And on Saturday, we are open from 8 o'clock in the morning to 12 o'clock midday. You're more than welcome to message us, even if you want some information about gates with side panels, or even fencing too. Okay,